Hey, grade six. So my video didn't record sound, so I'm going to talk you through this video. So this week we looked at air can be compressed. So we need to take out our flap book. Last week we did air takes up space and air exerts pressure. This week we're doing the middle flap, air can be compressed. So I tried to make this video a couple times, so I already have my squares and rectangles cut out. I'm going to take, I don't really remember what I'm trying to tell you here. I'm sure it was really important. Clearly really important things. I'm going to take the picture with the syringe and glue it to the top of the flap. And then the other rectangle that has the words on it, I'm going to glue below the syringe picture. Remember, you're going to want to fill in those answers as best you can. You see this dotted line, you've probably figured it out by now. It means that you need to fold it backwards. Then I'm going to put a little glue on the tip, on the fold there, and a little glue on the fold here, and make sure that you don't put too much glue. And I'm going to glue that onto the yellow page. Now, I need to make sure that open syringe is first and is on the left side, and then closed syringe is on the right side. That's how it's going to be in the answer key. So that's how you want it in your booklet to make sure you've got the right answers. Now, if you feel like that's enough work for today, that's fine. But if you'd like to add a little bit more, you are, of course, always welcome to. So just grab a pen, and on the open syringe, you are going to write gas particles in chamber, right? Okay. Now I'm going to draw a rectangle, kind of. Okay, 3 sides of the rectangle, and then the closed side, or the opposite side, is going to be just inside. So this is kind of representing that syringe. And on the other side, I'm going to draw the same kind of shape, but this time, because it's the closed syringe, I'm going to draw my line, or the end of that syringe, inside more. All right, so it's the closed syringe. I want to make sure that it's showing that I've closed the syringe. I'm pushing it so that space is smaller. And here I'm going to just draw a little arrow pushing in, and I'm going to show and write that the wall is pushed in. That might be all you want to do today. Or you might want to add even more. So if you grab a blue marker or a blue pen and a red pen or 2 different colors, you're going to add some gas particles in there to represent the air and its movement, okay? So the open syringe, I'm going to draw 7. I want to make sure that I'm counting how many I draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And if I have 7 in my open syringe, I need to have 7 in my closed syringe, okay? Because remember, just because I'm pushing the wall in doesn't mean the air is escaping. It means it has less room to move around, proving that air can be compressed. So I'm going to draw 7 blue circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And so I've got equal amount of air on either side to show that no air has been lost. Now I'm going to take my red, and I'm just going to show that the air particles are moving around. Some of them are bouncing off the edges of the syringe. Some of them are just moving around. All right, so all 7 on the open syringe, and then same thing on the closed syringe. I'm just going to show, oh, my air particles can move in any direction that they want, because they're in that little space, okay? So once you've got that done, that's all you need to do before Friday. You might want to try to answer the questions on the top, see if you can fill those in, and on Friday we're going to give some more information that goes underneath our flaps, but this is all you need to do for today. So I hope you had a really great Easter, and I will see you this week during office hours. Bye, loves.